Hello students, today we are going to learn about how to download Makecode Microbit and how to install it. For this, first we have to open web browser. Here I am opening Chrome. Now you have to search Makecode Microbit and press enter. You will find the first link. After clicking this link, a page will open. This page will allow you to do the coding or programming online. It is the same interface that we can use offline. So there is a facility if you don't want to download it, so you can use it online. You can also sign in here and register your email ID. Now we are going to download the offline application. For this, after Makecode Microbit, type download and press enter. The first link, click on the first link. Here a page will open in which you have to click on this I agree and select the appropriate operating system of your computer system. If it is a Windows, then select this option. If it is a Mac or Apple, then you have to select this option. So I am having Windows, so I will select this one. Click on this one. Once you click on this link, a pop-up window will open and you have to click on the save button. It will take some time as the size of the file is 255 MB. So you have to wait for a while. Once it will get downloaded. Now let's see it will get downloaded or not. Yes, it is downloaded. Once it will get downloaded. So we have to click on the file. Once you click on the file, the software gets initialized and it will get installed. This is the home screen of Makecode Microbit. Thank you and have a nice day.